What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over our friend BTC. Nice little bounce. We'll go over a couple of scenarios sitting at 28.2, up 1.95 on the day. See a market cap of 546 billion. 24 volume, 15.39 billion. So there's a couple of scenarios. It's either a wave 2 or you're still in the Elliott wave triangle. But then this triangle is really ugly. I've seen it before where the triangle can get ugly. But honestly, I think it's likely that this is actually a 2. This can't be a 4. There's a couple of reasons. I'll show you why. So if you're trying to tell me that this is a wave 4 right here, there's a couple of reasons why I don't think this is correct. And I'm going to show you right now. First of all, this 4 is already starting to break into the wick of the wave 1. It's already starting to break into that wave 1. It's also already broken above the 50% retracement if you take a Fibonacci from the top of 2 to the bottom of 3. And you can see it's already pushed up to the 618. And one more thing, if you're going to measure the wave 5 and take a trend basic extension from the 2, unless the wave 5 overextends, then your 618 target is 27.3K, and that would fail to break the wave 3 low. So you would have to at least come down to the 78.6 or the 1 extension, which is at 27.1, 26.7. Those also cannot be right. And I'm going to show you why. On the next chart, let me pop it open here. What we're looking at off the low is a wave 1. This is a wave 2 pullback. You can tell by how deep this pullback is, which means we have to be within the wave 3. And within the wave 3 are 5 waves. So you have a wave 1 up. And right now, what we're looking at is a wave 2 pullback. The minimum target for a 2 is the 38.2% fib level, which is 26K. So that cannot be this cannot be a 4. Because the wave 5 wouldn't even reach the target. Unless the wave 5 is going to go all the way down to 26K and be super overextended, I don't think that's likely. All right, gang, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I think is likely right here. We're going through a wave 2 pullback. We've already met the minimum target. We come down in 3, 4, 5, and that could retest 25K. Come down and retest 25K. That's what I think is likely now that we're seeing this push up right here. If we do come up and break the 78.6, then yes, all of this could have been a wave D and you're pushing up in a wave E. But it's a pretty ugly triangle. So it doesn't really line up with some of the altcoins for us to break that high. So I think it's likely we get rejected here or we get rejected at 28.5K, possibly 28.8K, the 50%, the 61.8 in a wave 2, come down in a 3, 4, 5. Complete the wave C, complete this pullback at around 25K. You always have to adjust your wave count accordingly. And honestly, this wave count makes sense to me, so that's what I'm looking at right now. Lines up with the head and shoulders breakdown. Watch that 20 EMA, especially going into tomorrow, could act as resistance on the daily chart. And yeah, as I mentioned, the minimum pullback is 26K. So there's no way that this is a wave 4. It has to be a 2 or still the wave E. DXY, I still think is going to break out, at least break out to 103. Possibly 105, and that's what when you'll see Bitcoin come down to 25K. That's what I think is likely. All right, gang, we're in a short right now as well, a Bitcoin short. That will never affect my analysis if I think price is going to turn around to the upside. I don't care if I'm in a trade. I'm non-biased. I'll close it. But we are in a short, which is in profits right now. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at. Make sure to sign up to one of the exchanges where you can get a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis. We're currently in a trade. I post my analysis pretty much daily. And if you make your first deposit to either Bybit or Bitget, grab those bonuses, free bonuses, then you get that 30-day free trial. Otherwise, if you sign up, you don't even have to make a deposit. You can have free access to over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, trade signals, all types of goodies, talking all things crypto. Yeah, all of that is completely free. If you want direct access to my signals, analysis, crypto news, members post their profits in here. Mahalo all plays. It's only $10 a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Same price as a Netflix subscription, 10 USD per month. Well, I think Netflix USD is probably like 7, 8, but pretty close. Same price as a Big Mac meal. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.